Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to go over the best tool for day traders, stock scanners. Stock scanners are a way for us to narrow down the results and focus on stocks that are moving fast. I use stock scanners every day to find setups like CING. This stock moved up over 780% and over $18 per share since hitting our scanners. We got the alert on our backtested scanner using Trade Ideas Pro. Trade Ideas Pro is a scanner platform that is a must-have for any trader looking for an edge in today's market. With Trade Ideas Pro, you can filter out those lower quality alerts and build your results based on your strategy. Not only is Trade Ideas Pro the best tool, but it's also affordable using our discount link in the description below. Using this link allows you to test Trade Ideas Pro and find out if it's a fit for you. When you sign up, you'll have access to all of the filters Trade Ideas has to offer, and you too can build the perfect scanner. Over my years and experience, I have found that having an edge in this market is critical to success. By leveraging this powerful software and building the perfect scanners, we now have that edge. You'll get information like the float size, stocks making new highs, stocks gapping up, high volume movers, and so much more. The best part? When you sign up using our discount code below, you'll also get access to Trade Ideas channel bar with pre-built scanners for you to use or dissect to extract the information you need. Come join our Discord community and get educational content sent out each Friday. Full access to our bi-weekly live class where we cover strategy and market insights. Live trading sessions Monday through Friday where you can listen in to me trade real time and see our premier Trade Ideas layout in action. Day trading chat rooms, and so much more. Remember, stick to your strategy and let Trade Ideas be your radar for finding those perfect setups today.